Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to come to you guys this morning with a quick video. So this is going to be me showing you guys how to beat the heat this summer. I know summer's kind of almost over, but I mean, if you live here in the South like me, or if you live in a very humid climate, of course, summer really never truly ends. And lately it's been about 100 or so degrees like all the time. So yeah, I stumbled upon just a mixture of products that have helped me basically beat the heat and humidity. So without me rambling any further, let's go ahead and get started. Got my Starbucks here, nice Starbucks passion iced tea. First things first is prepping the skin. So recently, like I said, I basically discovered like almost like a bulletproof way of wearing your makeup through the heat and humidity. Where I work, there's a lot of steam going on, and also on this particular day that I did this combination of products, it was very hot and humid outside as well. So the first thing, of course, is priming and prepping the skin. So what I'm going to do is moisturize. I'm going to use the Murad Water Gel Moisturizer. This is like an amazing moisturizer, especially if you're somebody like me who has more so combo oily skin, who wants the hydration but doesn't want anything like too greasy and anything like that. And this helps retain the moisture in the skin as well. Even if you're oily, make sure that you moisturize it, because you don't want your body compensating or pushing out more oil because you aren't giving it that moisture that it needs. Moisturizer is on and all soaked into the skin. So now I'm going to go in with the next item. So this is going to act as my primer. This is the Murad Invisiblur. This has an SPF of 30, and I also like this because this also has anti-aging properties. So of course I have the moisturization on, and of course during the day you need to wear the SPF. So this is acting as my SPF, anti-aging treatment, and also primer as well. And it has like a silicone-y sort of texture to it. It almost has the same texture as like the Smashbox primer, but it's softer. It feels more comfortable, like the more Benefit Professional primer. It feels comfortable like that, but with the Smashbox texture. I don't know if that makes sense, but it's definitely, in my opinion, better than those two, based on the fact that it helps blur the skin. It doesn't fill in pores. It is non-comedogenic, so it's not going to clog your pores either. So that's a good thing. Alright, now everything's all settled, so we're going to get into foundation. I'm going to go in with the Too Faced Born This Way foundation in Tiramisu, and I'm going to take let's take about 3 pumps, because I want a little bit more fuller coverage today. And I'm just going to take that with a Real Techniques brush, and I'm going to start in the center of my face and drag it out. And I did do a review on this foundation, and obviously I'm using it again, and I really love this foundation. It's a nice buildable coverage foundation, and it looks very natural on the skin, and it lasts a pretty long time. Alright, so let's move on to concealer. So I'm actually going to use 2 concealers today. I've actually been doubling up on the concealer a lot lately. So first I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Age Rewind, and I'm just going to focus the Maybelline Age Rewind closer to my lower lash line, just doing that line right there. And then I'm also going to put it on my eyelids as well. And then I'm going to go in with the ColourPop No Filter Concealer, and I'm focusing that on the inner corner and a little bit lower, on my nose bridge, and a little bit on the forehead. And I'm just going to take a Real Techniques sponge and just blend all that out. What I'm going to do now is just take the sponge and just kind of tap it all over my face, just to make sure that the foundation is nice and smooth and blended out all over the skin. And I've just been doing this lately just to kind of make sure everything is blended to perfection. Alright, next we're going to go in with powder. So the first powder that I'm going to be using is just a powder to set my under eyes. It's going to be the MAC x Patrick Star powder. I believe they don't sell this powder anymore, but if you have any old translucent powder will do that's nicely finely milled. So I'm just going to only put that in my under eye area. And then I'm going to go all over my face and set with the Laura Mercier translucent powder in medium deep. Alright, so I added a couple of things while I let the foundation kind of settle in a little bit. I added a lip gloss. The lip gloss that I put on was the Mented Cosmetics lip gloss in Berry Me. And I also have blush and highlight on. For blush, I have on the Mineralized Skin Finish, the Mineralized Blush by MAC in Love Thing. It is this blush right here. And as for a highlighter today, I have on the Hello Gregory highlighter in Hello Bronze right here. It's a nice bronzy looking highlight, a nice natural bronzy looking highlight, not too brown and not too gold, just like perfect right in the middle. And Hello Gregory is a newer brand on Instagram. They just started out with highlighters, and I believe that he is coming out with more things like pressed highlighters and maybe eyeshadow and things like that. So definitely support the brand. I definitely support it. The products are handmade, vegan, and cruelty free. So if you're looking for all three of those, he definitely has you covered. And he also has you covered because he has so kindly given me a coupon code. So at checkout, if you want to get the Hello Gregory highlighters, specifically Hello Bronze, because I mean like Hello Bronze is like really hello good. He gave me the code DIAMANTE, so use the code DIAMANTE and I'll spell it out right here for you guys to get 10% off at checkout. So definitely check out the Hello Gregory store and support him. Alright, so now that the foundation has kind of settled into my skin and all of that good jazz, I'm going to now set it. And that's kind of a thing that I've been doing, just kind of waiting a few minutes to let the foundation do its thing and kind of settle into my skin before I set it. I find that it just kind of helps the foundation look a little bit more natural, kind of let your natural warmth of your skin kind of let it, you know, meld to your body and things like that. I know that sounds really weird, but I feel like it helps in the long run. But I'm going to use a setting spray to fully set the foundation and all of this goodness. It's going to be the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Matte Finish Setting Spray. This is amazing. It's only like about $3 or so, and it's really good. It's definitely made a difference in my foundation routine as a whole. So definitely pick it up if you haven't tried it already. And last step, guys, as soon as you spray that setting spray, just make sure you really fan your face, and this just kind of helps the setting spray dry down quicker and just lock everything in place. So that is it for my bulletproof, heat-proof, humidity-proof foundation routine. But the three things that really help this out, and I'm going to tell you about these three things now, is one, of course, the foundation. The foundation, the Born This Way foundation, is great foundation. It is definitely long wearing, and people who have oily skin, you can definitely wear this foundation. It's going to be more of a natural finish, more so of a natural finish on you, and I prefer a more natural finish. So as long as you prep your skin in the way that it needs to be prepped, it's going to stay looking like this flawless natural finish. So definitely this foundation. The finishing spray, this finishing spray is bomb. I'm definitely going to be repurchasing it. I probably won't repurchase a different type of setting spray for a while, just because this one really does it for me. It keeps everything how I want to keep it, and it definitely does it for me. And of course, prepping your skin and making sure your skin is prepped in the right way. And it's definitely, I'm just gonna say 4 things. It's a combination of these two guys right here. Definitely this, just making sure that I'm moisturized during the day, and it helps keep moisture in my skin so I don't get more oily throughout the day. But also this guy right here, for being like a good base, a good primer, just to help my makeup look a little bit more smoother on my skin. So definitely, I would say if you haven't tried any of those already, definitely pick them up. But yeah guys, don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you know when my videos are uploaded. I usually try to upload at least 2 to 3 times a week. But yeah guys, I will catch you guys later in the next video.